Ja Rusin bul, jesem I budu, ja rodil sia Rusinom. Čest ni moj rod ne zabudu. Ostan usia ho synom. I was, am, and will remain Rusin. I was born a Rusin. My honorable lineage I will never forget, and I shall remain its son. This is the first part of the Rusin poem Vruchanie, meaning dedication. Anywhere you find Rusins, you can probably see the first line of this on something. Ja Rusin bul, jesem I budu. Though not officially a motto of the Rusins, it is one of the most well-known phrases in our history, and really carries the spirit of the Rusin people. But where does it come from exactly? Well, this poem was originally written by Alexander Duknovich and published in 1851 in the book Rusin Greetings for the Year 1851 by the Prešov Literary Society. Its main purpose, along with his other works, was to raise the national consciousness of the people within Carpathian Rus. In truth, however, he didn't really write it in what we would call Rusin in the modern sense. Duknovich drew from literary Russian and Church Slavonic with a few Rusin elements to write its work. It is commonly called this. I couldn't pronounce it very well, so you just get to see it in written form, though they wouldn't have called it that at the time because it was considered derogatory. This had the unfortunate consequence of making it harder for people to actually understand what he wrote, but it was more common to do stuff like that back then versus now. We can also say he wrote well enough for people to still know his work 150 years later, so in the end, it turned out pretty great. Below in the comments, I will actually have a link to the PDF of the full book, as well as the entire poem for you to copy if you so choose. As Rusins, we have been through hell and back, and I encourage you to further understand your history and learn the whole poem, because it is actually quite interesting. Much thanks to Tomasz Kalinic for the help, and see you next week.